The origin of bicycle helmets, from leather caps to high-tech safety gear. When bicycles first appeared in the 1800s, riders raced through city streets on bone shakers and penny farthings without any thought of head protection. Crashes were common, and injuries were severe. Yet helmets simply didn't exist. Riders relied on bravery or luck. But as bicycles grew faster and cycling became a serious sport, the need for head protection became impossible to ignore. The earliest bicycle helmets appeared in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. They weren't the hard shells we know today, but rather simple leather caps. Cyclists, especially racers, wore them mainly to protect against scrapes and cuts, not to prevent brain injuries. Known as hairnet helmets because of their strappy design, they offered little real safety. Still, for decades, this was all cyclists had. By the mid-20th century, research began linking head injuries in cycling and motorsports to long-term trauma. This spurred inventors to seek stronger protection. In the 1970s, companies like Bell Sports introduced helmets made of expanded polystyrene foam covered with a hard shell. These helmets absorbed impact energy instead of just cushioning the head. For the first time, bicycle helmets became scientifically designed safety devices rather than sporting accessories. In 1984, the U.S. introduced official safety standards for bicycle helmets, pushing manufacturers to innovate further. Helmets became lighter, stronger, and more aerodynamic. Ventilation holes were added, making them comfortable for long rides. By the late 20th century, wearing a helmet was no longer just for professionals. Laws and safety campaigns encouraged everyday riders, especially children, to adopt them. Then came the 21st century, when helmets truly went high-tech. Materials like carbon fiber and Kevlar made them ultra-strong yet feather-light. Brands developed MIPS technology, short for multi-directional impact protection system, which reduces rotational forces on the brain during angled impacts. Some helmets even come with built-in LED lights, crash sensors, and Bluetooth communication for group rides. Despite their evolution, bicycle helmets still face resistance. Some cyclists argue they're uncomfortable or unnecessary, while others see them as essential lifesavers. What is undeniable is the impact. Studies consistently show that helmets dramatically reduce the risk of serious head injury and crashes, from flimsy leather caps to sleek, aerodynamic, sensor-packed designs. The bicycle helmet reflects over a century of progress in both safety science and cycling culture. It is more than just gear, it is a symbol of how innovation can save lives while keeping the joy of riding alive.